RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Facial Filler. The RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Facial Filler is an exceptional product that addresses multiple skin concerns with impressive results. Designed for all skin types, this revolutionary facial filler targets deep wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, uneven skin tone, and dry skin around the delicate eye area. One of the standout benefits of this product is its powerful anti-aging properties. The inclusion of retinol, a proven ingredient in combating signs of aging, helps to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines over time. Customers have reported significant improvements in the texture and smoothness of their skin with consistent use. The formulation also features hyaluronic acid, a special ingredient known for its intensive hydration properties. This helps to plump and deeply moisturize the skin, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion. Dryness and dullness become a thing of the past as the